What's up everyone, I'm Jason. I'm going to show you the easiest way to cook drumsticks in the air fryer. Simple, no muss, easy recipe, and if you could, please hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. So here are our chicken drumsticks. Here's the seasoning. So we have some Lawry seasoning salt and some Old Bay and some salt and pepper. So we're going to add a pinch to these and get dirty and mix that up a little bit. So we have 1 cup of flour, in goes our seasoning, and we're going to mix that up. Next we're going to take our drumsticks 3 at a time in the bag, and we're going to go ahead and shake those up to coat them evenly. And we are going to take them out, shake the excess off, and place them on our air fryer pan. Alright, so here is our 10 pieces of chicken legs, drumsticks, whatever you want to call them. We're going to put these in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes to start with. So let's get them in. Okay, here we go. 400 degrees. 10 minutes. Check in a bit. Alright, that's been 10 minutes. I'm going to take these out. And any of the dry spots, the dry flour, we're going to take some olive oil and just give it a quick spray. And we're going to turn these over. Okay, we're going to put these back in at 400 degrees for another 10 minutes. And then we're going to check it out then. Alright. That's been another 12 minutes. Let's check them out. Nice and golden brown. Ooh, nice and crispy. Smells delicious. Can't wait to try these out. Alright, we got Riley and Trevin. Gonna try out the awesome drumsticks from the air fryer. Juicy? What do you think?
Good.
Good.
Is it perfect good or just good?
Perfect good.
Good.
Alright.
Perfect
Thank
good.
you. Thank you, taste testers. Thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Okay.